What is meant by respiration? The light energy is converted into chemical energy and stored in complex organic molecules called carbohydrates, that is, glucose and starch. The breaking of C-C bonds of such compounds through oxidation releases a considerable amount of energy. This energy is utilized for various metabolic activities at cellular level. This phenomenon of release of energy by the oxidation of various organic molecules is known as respiratory substrates. Carbohydrate is the common respiratory substrate. During respiration, the whole energy contained in the respiratory substrate is not released at once. In respiration, oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide, water, and energy are released. Respiration is an exothermic reaction and the oxidation of glucose is given in the following equation. Glucose when oxidized gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy 2900 kilojoules. The energy released during this process is transformed into usable form of energy as adenosine triphosphate. ATP molecules, that is, adenosine triphosphate molecules, act as carriers of free energy between the energy yielding and energy requiring reactions of the cell. ATP is described as the energy currency of the cell. It is a nucleotide consisting of adenine, ribose sugar, and 3 phosphate groups. It is an energy-rich compound and contains 2 high-energy terminal bonds. A large amount of free energy is liberated when these bonds are broken by hydrolysis. Now let us see the mechanism of respiration. The oxidation of glucose involves the following steps: glycolysis, decarboxylation of pyruvic acid, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, that is ETC. Now, let us know about coenzymes. NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It's reduced to NADH2. FAD+, flavin adenine dinucleotide. It is reduced to FADH2. This electron transport results in the release of energy which is used to phosphorylate ADP to ATP. Hence, the electron transport chain reactions are referred to as oxidative phosphorylation.